everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Govo Soundbar wireless subwoofer. So friends, before I unbox and review this speaker, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here it says package contains this soundbar and wireless subwoofer. Then here's the satellite speakers, remote control, aux cable, power cord, power adapter. And here is the user manual, warranty card, color is the platinum. Under the packages, the things that we get. So friends, now I'm going to turn on it. Here's the power button, just turn on it. Here it's written ARC and it has been turned on. Under the subwoofer, you will see the light on the back side. This shows that it has been turned on. Through the light we will know that it's turned on. Okay, this is the input to change the mode. Okay, it's written AUX, and now when I click on the input, it's ARC, and now it's changed to USB, and now changed to optical. And to connect through Bluetooth, then you have to click on BT. Okay, sound or bass you can increase through the remote. It's only 20%. Okay, it's increased only 20%. As you can see, it's 29. You can even increase the bass. And you can increase more the sound. So friends, here is all about the Govo and about the sound testing. As you can hear it out, it's very amazing. You can even increase it more, but I'm shooting this video at night time, so that's why I cannot increase the volume. So if you are interested, you can check it out under the Flipkart or Amazon. And friends, if you like it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And friends, not only that, if you are interested, then you can buy just right now.